Hey yo, what's good YouTube? Is waiting back again. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I'll start doing AdSense, blogging, arbitrage in the year 2025 as a total newbie. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually grow an account from something like this to something like this, right? So if you enjoy this kind of content, consider liking, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to show you guys how I will do it. And this was actually how I did it some years back. And this is how I'll also do it in the year 2025 because it still works 100%. So please subscribe, like I said, share and follow me on Instagram. And if you need a newly monetized USA, UK, and Nigerian AdSense account, I mean any country AdSense account, consider using the link there and hit me up on WhatsApp or Instagram. Let's talk about that. And with that being said, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so this is my AdSense account. So I just bought this AdSense account not long ago, about a week or two ago. So, but I just left it dormant. Right. So now leaving it dormant doesn't mean that I have not been posting on this site. I have actually been posting, but then I've not really been promoting it, right? So this is how I will do AdSense arbitrage in the year 2025 with a fresh AdSense account, right? So as you guys can see, this account has made almost nothing. Last month was 5 cents. I mean, I don't even know how this 5 cents entered the account. Okay, this month is 12 cents, and this is a UK account. For some reason, it's showing me this verification sign, even though I've not generated up to £8. Okay, but then let me dive into the purpose of this video. So how will I grow a fresh AdSense account to the point where I start running AdSense arbitrage on it without having any issues or, facing ads limit and all of that with Google, right? The truth is that those things are somehow inevitable for a fresh account, even when your traffic is 100% organic, unique, whatever you call it. Ads limits might somehow cripple into your account, but then the aim is to stay safe after that, right? So, but then I'm going to show you how I will do mine or how I will handle this account, because I bought this account for the sole purpose of trying to, use it for my channel, right? To show you guys how I will actually do that, because a lot of people have been asking me this kind of question. All right, so usually I don't work with this kind of accounts, but then for the purpose of this channel and video, let's get into it. Now, how will I grow this? I will grow this using Facebook. That is somehow, I know, but then hear me out. So I will actually use Facebook to derive organic traffic to this site. Not through paid ads yet. I can actually use paid ads on this to scale things fast. But then that is where most beginners actually get it wrong. Trying to scale things fast, right? If you're trying to scale things fast, you're telling Google that you can go from 0 to 100 within the shortest period of time. And that is what Google doesn't actually like. Okay, you going from 0 to 100 within the shortest period of time. So the best thing to do is to go from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 10, and so on and so forth, right? So, and that is why I have just been posting on this site. Okay, I'm just going to show you guys what the site actually looks like. Okay, I thought about making the site public. Okay, I thought about making the site public. I think I'm just going to make it public though, because I want you guys to actually see what I'm doing there. How things are panning out and all of that. So I'm just going to use a new tab to actually open it so that it doesn't show some things that I don't like. Okay, so the name of the site is this. Okay, so let's see how it looks like. Okay, so this is the site, and I've not really decided the niche to actually focus on this site. But then I started with posting school stuff. Then I think I'm beginning to change my mind. I just dropped a few job posts on it. Okay, but then I want this site to actually be about students, right? Now, this was how I actually worked on my account back then in 2019. Okay, so that was when I newly got admitted into school, and I thought about, blogging for my guy. And I just had to make use of what I had at the moment, which was people around me. And who are those people around me? They are students. So the best way to actually grow is using them, right? Using them in the good way by providing information that they would need as students. So what are those informations? Informations like their handouts, how they can download their handouts, people looking for NIs, people looking for JAMB, people looking for admission, people looking for, information around the school. So as you know, I graduated from Mina, and I thought about, doing something like that and then sharing it in different WhatsApp groups and Facebook groups. So that was how I actually started growing my account. And funny enough, people consider huge traffic when it comes in their tens of thousands, but then they don't know that before you actually get those tens of thousands, you need to actually go from 100 to 1,000 and so on and so forth. And with that little number of traffic of 1,000, 100, 500 page views and so on thereabout, you can actually use it to run arbitrage comfortably without facing any single issue from Google. So imagine when you're having these traffics coming into your site from those students that, don't even know why they're coming to your site, probably to see one gist or the other, but then meanwhile, you're actually using them to grow your site. So that is actually the best way to actually get started for your young site. So you can see this site actually has, Google Ads on it. So you can see properly placed. And funny enough, these articles are generated with ChatGPT. You can see the internal links and everything, but they are all generated with ChatGPT. So I'm actually going to show you guys in my next video how I come up with posts from AI, that are looking so good like this and engaging. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And like I was saying, I make use of Facebook to actually grow my account. So how do I do that? So if you go to Facebook, so this is a Facebook account that I got for this. So if you go to Facebook account and search for example now, so how I do it is this. I also have another site that I'm growing using this method. So I just bought the two at the same time. So this is it. This is the site. No traffic from social media, just 100% posting. Just posting and indexing it on Google. Posting and indexing it on Google. Posting and indexing it on Google for now. And then sharing to lots and lots of WhatsApp group. Right? So, but then I've not actually kickstarted on that. Right? So I have people that can do that for me when I'm ready for this, and that time is now because I'm making this video ready. So now let me go to this site and show you guys how it looks like. Okay. So the simple game plan is this: get a site, then focus on one school, right? Focus on one particular school. Then back in the days, I remember posting about WAEC past questions, JAMB past questions, NICO past questions, and so forth. So a lot of students, Gen Z students recently, they don't read, right? They just want that ready-made question and answer, possibly the so-called runs of a thing, blah, blah, illegal though, but then providing past questions for them. They don't read though. So they just need it, right? So just provide it to them, share it to their Facebook and all of that. Within minutes, they'll start trooping into your site. I use this method to actually get a lot of sites monetized back in the days, right? So now if you observe, this particular site is 100% about photo, right? So I bought this site. One of my editors are managing it. One of my editors is managing it currently. So you can see that everything here is photo, right? Now, photo is Federal University of Technology, Owerri, right? 100% on it. And every damn thing from this site will be posted in their WhatsApp groups and Facebook groups, right? So meanwhile, if you look at this site, this one is, not quite 100%, but majorly about Federal University of Technology, Mina, right? Now, you have a lot of content on this particular university, and any student from this school enters this site must find one thing or the other interesting, right? By the time we start doing the massive sharing on their WhatsApp groups, there's a way we can actually get access to their WhatsApp group, get a new number, probably sort out a way to actually join their Facebook group, and from there, find the WhatsApp group that you can join, tell the admin that you just got admission, blah, blah. Let them add you to the WhatsApp groups. From there, start meeting their students, DM them and all of that. So that was how we actually do this back in the days. Right? And I believe if it worked then, it's still going to work now. So this is actually a way you can grow your small account to start at least having some people coming into the site. I mean, as long as the person entered the site, even if it doesn't really do much, I mean, he has entered and it has counted as a unique IP, unique user agent, unique everything. So this one is basically about Federal University of Technology, Mina, and this method works. If it doesn't work, I won't waste my money to buy these sites, to start, embarking on this journey. And the good part about this journey is that I'm going to be updating you guys on how it is going, because this site is basically for this channel, right? For showing you guys, things and all of that. So yeah, I don't want this to actually be a very long video. I just want it to be a video where I show you everything 100% unique, open, and no hiding of anything, right? So you can see $0.000 dollars here, and on the other one we'll have £0.000. Okay, £0.000 almost throughout. So now the reason why I'm being this open is because in the nearest future, these figures are going to start growing, and when they start growing, I don't want you guys to start seeing it as magic, because I'm going to be showing everything I'm going to be doing in order to get these things done. So first of all, like I said, go to Facebook. If you go to Facebook, type the name of your school or the school you want to actually focus on, right? It mustn't be in the school before you actually, talk about the school, right? So I'm just going to talk about Federal University of Technology, Mina. So you can see that there are a lot of pages, groups where everything about the school is being posted on. So this one was April 10th. I think they did their matriculations, 280 engagements, 300 comments. I mean, what else are you looking for here? So let me just go ahead and open one of the groups. So I think this one is a student, but he tagged this group. So I'm just going to go ahead and join the group, right? So just go ahead and join. Okay, this is a page. If I'm not mistaken. This is a page and a very old one at that. So I'm just going to leave this one and look for a more recent and more active group. This one. So go ahead and join the group. Then you can see that people are making posts on this place. So this one was 8 hours ago, 13 hours ago, 14 hours ago. So just be active there. Now, I don't know how to actually go about this, but if you keep scrolling down, keep checking the comment sections, you will surely see a WhatsApp group to join, right? You will surely see a WhatsApp group to join. Good morning, blah, 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 blah. Don't know what he's talking about. But just keep scrolling and keep searching for information until you see a WhatsApp group, right? Okay. Now, the fastest way to actually go about that is just to type the name of the school and put aspirants, right? So, boom. So you see the ones where freshers are probably looking for groups to join. You can see this is a group. You can see what they said there, blah blah, drop your WhatsApp contacts, blah blah blah. So just get a new number that you're not using, go ahead and drop the number here. Or you can message the person that posted it, message this guy that posted it, and then tell him or her they want to actually join the WhatsApp group. So you can see a group here that was posted. And believe me that this group is going to be filled up. So just click on it and join the WhatsApp group. From there, you can actually start DMing people, posting about whatever they need. Because these guys are freshers, right? They're freshers. They don't know their left from their right. They don't know their right from their left. So post something that they need. And from there, you're going to start engaging with them, right? Giving them updates that they need about the school, things that you know are quite important to them. So you can see this one, National Association of blah blah. I don't know what they're talking about, but I believe it's about the school and it's very recent. Okay, so any small information you see about the school, post it on your site, share it massively every day. Do it like a routine thing where you have like 10 posts about the school, in a bulletin, then share to WhatsApp groups. Now, with time, a lot of people will start promoting as long as you're dropping it daily, broadcasting it to them, people will start posting your site, right? People will start posting your site. So that was how we did it back in the days. And believe me, if it worked then, it's still going to work, right? It's still going to work. Now, this video might not really be that video that, I will show you how to print $1,000 in a day. Believe me, if you want to do that, you can, but you're going to lose your account and you're going to lose your money. That is just the honest truth. I'm not going to lie. That is just the honest truth. Okay? So you can see another group here. You can just click on join. Just join as many as you can. And the more you join, the better for you. Like, the better for you, man. Better for you. So, yeah. This video, I just wanted to be a 10 minutes video, but I think it's a little bit above 10 minutes. But then I still believe that it's worth it. The information in this video can help a lot of you guys to do good numbers with time, right? So with this being said, I believe you guys enjoyed this video, find value in it, share to anyone you think I need it. And with that being said, I want to see you guys in my next video. Stay safe and peace out.